Hello everybody, welcome. Today we have a mandamus case that we're going to talk about where the U.S. citizen filed for I-130 for their parents, and they've been waiting a long time for the I-130 to be approved. So let's take a look at the details of this case. So this was filed in the district court for the Eastern District of Michigan. We have one petitioner, and that is also called a plaintiff in other cases that we looked at. And usually these cases are filed in the District of Columbia, but I guess it looks like the plaintiff lives in the District of Michigan, so they decided, I guess their attorney decided to file it there. Okay. So this is a writ of mandamus compelling the USCIS to complete the review of the I-130 petition filed for an immediate family member. So the parents were the beneficiary of the I-130. All right, let's take a look. So the I-130 petition for alien relative was received in May 2023. And since that time, the two applicants, I think they're talking about the parents, been waiting for an unreasonable amount of time for the completion of the review process. The USCIS Texas Service Center failed to take any further action on the petition for alien relative case. This writ is being filed on behalf of the U.S. citizen who has petitioned her parents to have their I-130 approved. The review process of their I-130 petition has been delayed for more than 24 months. So more than 2 years, and is beyond the normal processing time frame of 17 months for the Texas Service Center. I believe the average processing times is available on the USCIS website. So the petitioner is seeking is a writ to compel the USCIS Texas Service Center to act within a reasonable time. And it says that the court, they're asking the court to compel the agency to act within a reasonable time, and then issue a writ of mandamus and to process the two I-130 petition within a reasonable time. So here's some of the statement of facts. I think we covered some of this, but they repeated it again. So the U.S. citizen has the right to petition her parents to immigrate to the U.S. based on the Immigration on Nationality Act. And then they're saying in May 2023, USCIS received the I-130 petition for a relative to sponsor her two parents, and they issued the receipt. And after waiting 2 years, the USCIS received an inquiry from the beneficiary on the status of the I-130, and in an email, USCIS said that it's going to take longer to adjudicate that decision. And then it looks like they did contact their congressman, and the congressional liaison who works with the USCIS indicated that the I-130 is still in the review process, and they're unable to provide details regarding the process or expedite its completion. So they've been waiting for 24 months, and they exhausted all available remedies, administrative remedies, and they're asking the court to issue a mandamus compelling them to act in a reasonable period of time. And then and they're all repeating that they're asking for a writ of mandamus to be issued. Yeah, so this, things sometimes take long, and you can file a writ of mandamus if I-130 is taking longer than average. Thanks for listening. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. If you like it, it does make the algorithm. It helps the others to find the videos, and helps the algorithm to help others find the videos. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.